My name is Elisa Hamilton. I'm an artist, and I've been working with the MGH Clay Center for Young Healthy Minds to develop an art activity that promotes conversations about mental health. In this quick how-to video, I'm going to show you how to create your own illuminated collage at home. You can also find a printable step-by-step guide on the Illuminating Mental Health website. I designed this collage making activity for families to do at home together, and the goal of the activity is to identify and share feelings in a creative way. By sharing our emotions through art, we create an entry point for conversations about our feelings, and we bring dialogue about mental health out of the shadows and into the light. And that's what this activity is literally about, bringing things into the light. Here are the materials that you'll need to do this activity. You can find all of these materials online at Amazon.com or at your local art supply store. You will need scissors. You can see I have a few different sizes here. Markers, lots of different colors, and you'll also need a wall-safe tape. You can also use a Scotch removable tape. We're actually going to be using this on a window, but the wall-safe tape ensures that the collage is easy to remove when it's time to take it down. And the most important material we'll be using is called vellum paper. Vellum is a smooth, transparent paper that when you hold it up to the light, appears to glow. Optional materials, which you don't need but might be fun to use if you have them, are stencils and a ruler. Okay, now on to the activity. Step 1 is to choose the window where you want to create your collage. You'll also need a workspace in proximity to the window. As you can see, I'm here in my dining room, and I've chosen this window because it gets good light and it's right near this table that I can work on. Step 2 is to get a feel for your materials. Have everyone doing the activity take a piece of vellum and feel how smooth it is. Touch, fold, and twist the material. Even though it's two-dimensional, you can make it three-dimensional depending on how you use it. Step 3 is, as you're feeling the materials, ask everyone doing the activity to think about the feelings that they have experienced over the course of the day or the week. Ask everyone if, in their minds, they can identify a specific feeling that they had or are having. And think about what made them feel that way. How did they feel when they woke up this morning? How are they feeling right now? After everyone has had some time to think about this, it's time to move on to step 4, making the collage. A collage is a type of art that's made up of lots of different pieces put together. And what's special about this collage is that you're not making it alone, you're making it together, with each person making their own unique contribution to the whole. As you think about some of the feelings that you've experienced recently, use the materials to express those feelings creatively. Cut, fold, draw, write, do whatever feels good, and use the materials to create a collage on the window together, piece by piece. When you've finished, your collage will look something like this. The 5th and final step of this activity is to step back and admire your creation and reflect on what you've made. Isn't it beautiful? Take a few minutes to talk about one or two of the collage pieces. Take some pictures of your favorite parts of the collage to remember your creation. And consider leaving your collage up for a few days to return to later and talk about some more. You can also make this collage over the course of a week, adding pieces every day. I hope that this activity is a great way for you and your family to do something fun together, while also creating the opportunity to identify and share feelings with one another. Getting in the habit of sharing our feelings is a wonderful way to keep conversations about mental health out in the open and in the light. And if you want to share images of your creations with us, we would love to see them. You can share your photos on social media using #IlluminatedCollage, and you can tag the Clay Center at MGH Clay Center. Happy collage making!